How often would you say you cook?
Never.
My name is Abdi Muhammad, and this is the Cooking Challenge.
Woo! Yeah!
I'm here with our 3 different contestants, all competing to win out who makes the best egg dish. 20 minutes on the clock, starting now. Go! We've got Hashmit here dicing up his tomatoes. So Hashmit, how often do you make this dish?
Like every week or every day.
Okay, all right. I mean, listen, that might put you in the lead there.
Hello, this is Hashmatullah Rasoli. I'm living in St. Paul City, but I'm from Afghanistan. My favorite breakfast is tohmamur, and it is making from eggs, pepper, garlic. Eating healthy foods leads you good health.
Hey, but what do we have here? You're dicing up some onions as well. How often would you say you cook?
Never.
Never. All right.
My name is Hiba Omar. I am from Rochester, Minnesota, which is where I live right now. But originally my family is from Mogadishu and Galkayo in Somalia. Today I chose to cook shakshuka, eggs, tomatoes, onions. You'll see it when you guys see it. As a teenager, you have to know how to cook. It helps with your mental health and it helps you as a person in general. Eating healthy food leads to a good health.
We got Sabrina over here chefing it up crazy. Okay, tell me what's going on right now.
I cut up onions and garlic. I was supposed to let them saute first, but I thought about it and I only have 20 minutes. So do I really have that time?
It's a bit of a time crunch. It's a bit of a time crunch. But we got some cilantro here as well. Okay.
I'm gonna use it as like a garnish.
My name's Sabrina. I'm from Rochester, Minnesota, and my family's from Mogadishu, Somalia. It's called shakshuka. It's basically made of eggs and then tomatoes and like garlic, onions. It's important to me because I'm a bit lazy, so it's easy to make. Because eating healthy foods leads to better health.
Good nutrition significantly affects our mental health. A healthy, well-balanced diet can help us think clearly and feel more alert. It can also help improve your concentration and your attention span. On the flip side, an inadequate diet can lead to fatigue, poor decision-making, and slow reaction times. In fact, a poor diet could lead to stress and depression. And you too could feel better if you regularly eat healthy foods.
With the economy right now, I don't know how we can afford this. Half of our budget has actually went to these eggs.
I watched a tutorial on YouTube before this. Why do you love onions and garlic? Onions and garlic? No, I don't mean to sound like a vampire, but no.
I put the tomato and garlic together.
Right now I'm like seasoning.
I'm just putting the eggs. That's the final things that I should do.
So I just put these eggs in here and I'm like covering it up with like the tomatoes, eggs, and onions because I want it to cook.
So we got about 5 minutes for everybody. All right, Hashmit, I see you got the 6 eggs you told me about. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It smells delicious. You can't smell it while you're watching it, but I'll tell you right now, it smells amazing.
And then I also have garlic and onions in here and a little bit of cilantro.
Okay.
I don't know, it was just to be extra. I don't know what I'm doing.
Listen, we're all about extra over here. This is a cooking challenge. Ooh, Chef Sabrina.
I don't know why, but it kind of turned out like soup.
We might knock off points on presentation, but you know, it's all about the taste at the end of the day. So it looks like we got about 2 minutes left. 2 minutes. Hashmit is chilling. He's resting up right now. He's getting his relaxation on. Hiba is finishing up here as she's putting together the meal. Looks like Sabrina is also finishing up. We got about 45 seconds. Plating. We've got people plating. We're plating now. All right, Hiba, let's see. Okay. We got the other 2 folks plating. Listen, I am hungry, although I might have, snuck in a cookie or 2 earlier. This is restaurant level stuff right now. It's amazing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, drop it. And we're good. All right, now comes the taste test. Who's got the best breakfast food? Who's got the best egg dish representing their culture, their community, their background, their family? Listen, there's honor on the line here. All right? You can't go back home if I'm not impressed. We have Hiba's dish here. Is this something you're proud of?
No.
No?
Try it.
Listen, she's already given up, but Am I gonna be okay if I take a bite?
Yeah,
Okay.
come on, try it.
All right, I think I saw her sprinkle rat poison in this earlier, but we'll see here.
Yeah, good try it.
Bismillah. All right. Not bad. Not bad.
Wallahi billah.
It's not bad. You would say, usually, people would have this with mufo, right?
Haha, I had bread.
And bread, right? So mufo, bread, usually you would kind of scoop this up. We're at the yellow table. Azmit, thank you again.
Thanks.
And one more time, could you tell folks the name of this dish?
Takhmarumi.
Takhmarumi.
Yeah, takhmarumi.
Takhmarumi. It is, you can see here, again, beautiful presentation. Here it goes. Here it goes.
Yeah.
All right. Pretty good.
Yeah, thank you.
It's pretty good. Listen,
Thank you.
you got a bright future.
Okay,
all right?
thanks. Yeah.
Bright as your yellow.
Yeah.
All right?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm sure.
Last, but certainly not least, we have Miss Sabrina. I see some onions. I see some tomatoes. Again, similar dish to what Hiba made, but, you know, not all dishes are the same. So, bismillah.
Don't hate.
Wait. You feel like I could choke on these onions, how chunky they are. I mean, you could have cut them a little bit better, but.
Take the criticism.
You know, not bad, not bad. All of you guys, you know, first off, let's just give a round of applause to all of y'all. Great job. Great effort.
I'm back. I'm taking it.
I have to make a decision, and I will say, I enjoyed different aspects of all the different dishes. I did. Best that I had today, from flavor and everything, I might have to give it to you, Hiba. I might have to give it. I know you're a bit surprised. Listen, I might have to. Listen, I got it. Let me go back. Listen.
He's playing with me. He's playing with me.
I'm not playing. Listen, you have to look at how thin they. Listen, second, definitely you. That was great. That was amazing. I think the green pepper was essential.
Yeah.
She's shocked. She's shocked. She's also shocked. Them onions, I almost died off of those onions. I couldn't breathe for a moment there. So I think just off of nostalgia, like this is how I had it growing up, I think that's why today you won the cooking challenge.
Yeah.
Congratulations to all three of you guys. Amazing food. First, second, I'm sorry. Actually, maybe always last, sorry. Sabrina, third. Congratulations to all of you guys. Thank you for participating in the cooking challenge today. We're all winners. We're all winners.
Okay.